Jaws used to absolutely scare the bejesus out of me when I was a kid. Now, as an adult, it's probably one of my favourite movies of all time. Hi, I'm Stu, and welcome back to another LumaFusion quick tip. And today we're going to look at reverse dolly effect. Now, what you need for this to work is a piece of footage where you're pushing into the frame. Like so with this aerial shot, going into the rock. And then what you're going to do is reverse the zoom effect. So you're going to do the opposite of pushing in. So to do that, we double click on our video layer. We then go to the beginning of the clip, and we then want to increase the size to at least 150%. I'm actually going to go for 160. The larger the size, the more the effect can be seen. I'm just going to move the Y position just to balance out the video. And obviously, if you're using clips like this, then 4K on a 1080p timeline is kind of where it's at. That way you're not going to get any sort of degradation in the actual video clip. This is a 4K clip. So once we've got our starting position, we tap on a keyframe. We then go to the very end. And this part's easy because all you've got to do is double tap on the size, double tap on the position, and reset our keyframe and our video clip so that everything's back to normal. Then come back out, and you'll now see, if I play through the clip, you've got this sort of weird parallax effect. Now what really sells it, if I again double click on the clip, is if we increase the speed. I'm going to take it up to 2 times and see how that looks. That's looking pretty funky. You could go even faster if you wanted, and obviously 3 times is 300%. Reduces the size of your clip as well. And that looks really funky as well. So that's the way you would create a reverse dolly effect for moving forward. Basically, if you're going to move away, you want to do the opposite, which is start off at normal scale, and then at the other end of the video, you want to increase the scale to 150, 160, maybe even 200%. So if you're pushing away and pulling away from a subject, you basically start off at normal scale and push in. If you're pushing in with the camera, then you start off with a larger scale and push out. You're doing the opposite at all times, and you get the parallax effect. So there you go, another quick tip for you, and hopefully you'll have fun with it. I'll catch you on the next video.